DJH we present to you today is absolutely stunning. One of the very last Audi R8 4.2 V8 manuals. Absolutely stunning condition. As you can see, it's been fitted professionally with a lovely upgraded body styling kit and alloy wheels. Looks much newer than what it is. I've got a private plate on this. It's my own personal car, so I know all about it. It's got the quad exhausts, park distance control, satellite navigation, magnetic ride. Absolutely joy to drive, just that I am not driving it. I haven't got time, and that's the only reason why it's up for sale. I was going to keep it because I only believe these vehicles are going to go up in value in the future. Engine bay is immaculate. The rear spoiler does go up at a certain mile per hour. It's a limited edition, black edition. Full leather interior. Flat bottom steering wheel. All the warning lights come on and go off. As you can see, it's done 20,093 miles. That could go up due to use. It's got the satellite navigation. Got the multimedia just to the reverse there. Got the heated seats, 6-speed. Magnetic ride is there. I love the gated manual gearbox. So it's a reluctant sale. It's not a profit opportunity for us at all. It's a beautiful car. It took me a long time to source this. So if you require any further information, please give us a call 07 503 751 005. This particular car can only be done by appointment and it's stored off site. So make sure you call us before turning up to have a look. Thank you very much. Bye bye.